How to log in Venmo account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Venmo account without using your phone number. So if you are looking a way to access your account without entering your mobile number, stay tuned until the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first, open any web browser on your device and in the address bar at the top, simply type www.venmo.com and simply press enter. And this will take you to the Venmo homepage, which look like this. Next, locate the login button in the upper right corner and simply click on it. And a sign-in form will appear on your screen. Now at the top you will see a field labeled email, mobile or username. This means you can log in using any of these options. If you prefer not to use your phone number, simply enter your email or username instead. And once you are done entering that, you can simply click on next. Now next, you need to move to a password field and enter your password correctly. And if you can't remember it, you can simply click on the forget password link and follow the instruction to reset it. And once you have entered your login details, you can simply click on the login button in the blue. And if your credentials are correct, you will be successfully able to log into your Venmo account without needing any phone number. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.